Before starting analyzing a data, first we will learn about the structure of this particular Power BI, how this exactly working. Power BI is a visualization software where you need to connect the data. First, you have to connect the data. Data is nothing but whatever the things you stored in a, it may be a Power BI data set, it may be from a Excel, it may be in a form of the SQL server, or it may be previously we learned Access. Okay, these any of the data we can connect. Once you have been connected a data, then we can start creating a report. Report is nothing but here graphs, charts, indicators, slicers, filters. We are going to create. Once you have been created these things, we can directly publish that one into your website also. You can directly keep this in a website if you are logging into a Power BI desktop. Once you have been created that one, once you have been created all the things, then what will happen, we'll go to here what are the things available. We can connect a data here, and these are the different uh, connectivity options we have. Okay, we'll discuss in detail about the different menu options we have and different tools available under the each menu option. And then it comes here, it is a, this is nothing but a your report area. This is the report area we have. Okay, where I'm moving a cursor, the blank space, report area. This is the filter area. Okay, you can apply a filter for the entire report. And this is about a visualization area. Visualization area is nothing but to insert different types of the graphs, charts, and table, and your question and answer, everything you can do here, visualization area. And fields are nothing but once you connect the data, your data will be shown here. Okay, your data sheets will be shown here. What are the things you have in a data? In a pivot table in a Excel, while learning a pivot table, you had a fields right here, in the sense what are the column headers it has to show. Okay, same thing here, it will be shown. Okay, on a left hand side you can see here, this is a report, this is a report area. If you like to check the data, once you connected a data, if you click on this data, here data will be shown, what data you are analyzing. If you like to build a relationship between a data, similarly how we using in a access, same way we can build a relationship between a different sheets what we have in our data set. Okay, this is a way we can select any of the working area here. If you like to add a report pages, we can add here new page by using this one. Okay, by click on a plus, you can add a number of pages. Okay, to duplicate a page, everything we will learn. And these are the main areas we have. If you like to minimize, if you like to maximize your area, you can minimize this one. Okay, so that you will be having a maximum area for your report. You can visualize the report properly, so that here you can minimize or maximize by using these arrows. Okay, this is how the entire structure of the Power BI desktop looks, and what are the things we need to operate will be learned from a next video.